Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog on WordPress. So, very quickly, what we want to do here is we want to go to our site right here. We want to click on Visit Site, and then from here, click on Edit Site, and then double click it. Click on the block inserter. Then from here, type blog. From there, simply you can choose here either a blog post or you can even choose to have one of their templates. So if we choose blog posts right here, it instantly creates a page for our blog right here where you can type the header right there. And at the same time, of course, you can type in the descriptions of your blog. You can also change, of course, the positioning and the image of the blog depending on how you prefer it. So you can show it on the left, you can show it on the right side of the media, and of course, you can have the images squared up like that as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.